And here's the Christmas tree. I know it's done for Christmas Eve. No, it's a high. No, it's a high. It's a fire.
Say hi!
Cameron, Michael, secret.
What?
If these pictures are not picked up, I will throw them away. You were just doing it. Why did you stop?
You asked me to.
I thought you were done. It shouldn't take you that long.
This is mine. You like it? You like what I mean?
I like all your pictures, but I just don't want them across my floor.
Come in to say hi.
Good. Now I'm trying to the
Cameron, they go in the cupboard, honey. They don't go around my house.
Hey, listen, come up.
And your book. You go put it in the cupboard.
Oh,
Are you done with the sandwich?
yes.